Hey everyone, Chief Meteorologist Tom Miners here with WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News, recording this video for you just after noon on this Tuesday, November 13th. Now, there's a lot going on to talk about in this forecast. A winter weather advisory is about to be issued for all of West Tennessee from 6 a.m. Wednesday to noon on Thursday. Again, that includes every county in West Tennessee. So if you're watching from somewhere between the Tennessee and the Mississippi rivers in the Volunteer State, you're under a winter weather advisory for tomorrow, but a winter storm watch is going to be issued from Wednesday morning through Thursday morning for Lake and Obion counties. Winter weather advisories typically just mean that snow and or sleet and ice accumulations could cause an inconvenience to society and commerce, and that is likely or about to occur. They're usually issued 8 to 24 hours out ahead of the event. So let's talk about this. Right now, what we've seen today is extremely cold weather for the middle of November, but we're about to see that cold weather continue and come with some precipitation. Green indicates rain, and you can see that starts to move into the area on Wednesday. That's 10 a.m., and this is one of the particular models that isn't really too excited about winter weather in West Tennessee tomorrow. It's not really showing a whole lot. It actually shows us getting a little bit of a mix at first, but then changing to all rain, and then mostly us starting to see some of that rain-snow mix near the Mississippi River. A lot of other models, though, most of them, at least at this point, are showing that mix becoming likely. Again, as we go through overnight tonight, it's dry, but then when we get into about 10 a.m. on Wednesday morning, we start to see that wintry mix move into some parts of southwest Tennessee near the Tennessee-Mississippi state line on the Tennessee River, and it starts out as a mix and changes over to all snow. That is 6 o'clock, that's 7 o'clock, and heavy snow could be coming down by that point in parts of West Tennessee. It'll linger as snow in this particular outcome all the way into Thursday morning. There's 6 a.m. and we've still got some light snow falling before it all leaves by 6 p.m. on Thursday night. So in terms of accumulation, a lot of models at least have been showing somewhere in the realm of 1 to 2 inches of rain, some even showing a little bit more. But again, a couple of models are still not too excited about it and showing somewhere in the realm of just a few tenths of an inch of snow. I think what we should be watching for, though, and I think that we really need to keep our eyes on this, can't take your gaze off of this part of the forecast, how much freezing rain and how much sleet is going to come down with this system. Because we're not sure exactly when that changeover is going to happen. Seems to be looking more towards those late afternoon or evening hours, but some models are showing somewhere close to 1/4 of an inch of sleet and a tenth of an inch of sleet. And that's going to have an easier time of causing some travel hazards than snow. If it's just snow falling on the road, might not be as much. So again, some models are showing the bulk of the snow and ice accumulating in Illinois, but you can see it does come down into West Tennessee. And I think making up some of these high totals that you see here on this map are actually including some of that sleet coming down as well. This is a map that just shows where the freezing rain might fall, and you can see it covers the eastern half of our viewing area. So in terms of where we're going to see that snow and ice actually shape up, it looks like the eastern half of West Tennessee is more likely to see the icy stuff, and the western half more likely to see the snow. And again, the accumulations for at least an inch of snow are looking more likely now. For Lake County and Obion County, that's close to 80 to 90% chance for an inch of snow. In Jackson, it's 40 to 50% chance. And you'll notice, even as we're looking at 2 inches of snow or more, or even 4 inches of snow or more, there's still a 30 to 40% chance for more than 4 inches of snow to fall in parts of northwest Tennessee. So we're going to have to keep an eye on this, of course, as we have been all week long. And I'm going to give you an idea for what those forecast accumulations are when we take your next look at the forecast coming up on WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News.